welcome back to Made by Nala. Today I'm currently wearing a bonnet that we made, So Right Fashion, but today I'm here to show you how I made this DIY. I told you guys that the makeup was a one-off. Back to the bare face. It's literally like midnight and I'm like, oh my goodness, tomorrow is Thrift Thursday, so I gotta post something. So this is what we're making today. I'm just going to show you the types of stuff that we're using. We're using some fur, using 2 Boohoo Man jackets. This jacket on, it comes up to like here, but it is out here. On this other jacket, it has the same detailing. So like you see, I love that. And on here, there's like one of these. What do we call these? Is it like an eyelet, a hook? So what I'm thinking of doing is flipping the jacket upside down, so we can call this the upside down trench coat. Upside down denim trench. So what I'm thinking of doing is literally connecting this bit. I've never seen anyone do this before. I'm clipping it on. I can maybe sew here. Or maybe should I add like a press stud? Thinking if I add a press stud here, then I can remove it, like I can put it on and take it off. The top half for the design, so the fur is gonna go on here and on the neck, but I'm gonna post that towards the end. So if you wanna know how I did that towards the end, I'm going on the bottom. So obviously we want to lose the arms, like we don't want this. Pocket is, I'm literally just gonna cut. Look how short that is. Yeah. Now I should have this long piece and my jacket, and now I'm adding this jacket into here. Back on the voice notes, guys, so I used Velcro instead because I found it in my mum's sewing box and it wasn't being used. So I decided to add some Velcro where I wanted things to stick. As you can see, that piece was going on the inside. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew things together at a later stage when I decide that I don't want to make it versatile. But for now, the Velcro is working very well. So watch me do that.
Trying to change the ways that you move it, but I can tell judging from the lifestyle you got room for it.
The fun part is the decorating. I haven't gone to my sewing machine. I'll probably do that like tomorrow, but yeah, we're gonna do the fun part, which is the fur. So with fur, it's so important to remember the pile. So find the side that you like the most. I like this way, I believe, but you can flip it the other way and see. So yeah, like the direction on this side is not as nice as the direction on this side. So what I'm gonna do is, so what I did is I lined up the fur to the jacket to see how I liked it, and I also just measured with my eyes. What I like to do is to cut on a fold, because if I cut on a fold, I know I'm gonna get a nice straight precision, nice straight line and stuff. So that's what I did. Watch me do that, guys. The way you shake that ass, I got one. And then to do the arms, I literally followed the same method. What I actually ended up doing is using the same length or the same width as what I did for the bottom, just so that everything was uniform. Let's stand the ass. I got one less thing to ask, make it. And yeah, guys, this is how I did this DIY, and it's a no-sew really because I just use Velcro. And yeah, as you can see, you can style it in many ways. With the fur, I just hand sewed it together because it was just, yeah, better. And it took me ages. I didn't record that. But that's what I did. If you want to see how I did do it, check out. If you'd like to see more of this sort of content, make sure to follow me on TikTok at Made by Nala. And thank you so much, guys. And I'll see you next week. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.